Is your baby stuck in that car? You get quite upset about it. Can you explain the problem to me? What's wrong? Can you tell me? What's wrong? Show me. Is your baby in here? You want to get it? Is the baby in here? There's your baby. Whoa. Oh, can you tell me what the matter is? Yeah? Oh, anger. You got the baby out. Yay! Give baby a hug. Oh, yes.